welcome back to my channel. Today is one of my DIY videos for lazy people. Trust me, if you are lazy and think DIY is just way too complicated, check out my DIY videos. They are not complicated, ever. And my dog has been hanging out in the bathtub. Why, you ask? I have no idea. He literally just jumped out from behind the shower curtain. Say hi to everybody, Zamden. Say hi to everybody. He's having an allergy attack to grass, so he gets to go to the vet next week and find out what he's allergic to. Okay, so back to the DIY video. Hopefully that didn't interrupt too badly. So what you're gonna need for this DIY is this is for your eyeliners, lip liners, certain brushes. You know, you get them and you put them in something cute like this and they rattle around or break. I mean, I don't know about you, but I have tons of them. And I hate digging through when you just put them all in the cup and they just sit there like that. And then you're constantly digging through them looking for the right one. That's annoying, right? Am I the only one that thinks that's annoying? Not to mention, it doesn't look very cute, in my opinion. It looks kind of sloppy and messy. And if you have a really cute vanity, which I don't, but if I did, I'd want it to look cute and organized. So the first thing you're gonna want is something sticky to go in the bottom of this. It doesn't really matter what it is. I just took some Gorilla Tape and folded it in half, and then I'm just gonna stick that in the bottom of here. It doesn't have to be precise. Now you're gonna take one of these. This is a floral arrangement sponge thing. You can get these wet, it doesn't matter, they dry out. The florists use them all the time. They are great and they're super inexpensive. You get one of these and you cut it to size. This comes in a zillion sizes. It does not matter if you're using a bowl or whatever, you just want one of these. So this one I picked because it's pretty much the perfect size for this. And I just cut it in half. You can see my cutting wasn't precise. Again, I am not into being like, oh my gosh, it has to be perfect. Not when I'm doing something like this. I just want it to look pretty once I'm done. So you just take this size and you put it in there. And you push it down and you don't want it to come out. See? Now it's in there. It's the right size for this cup. And this is like a little candle holder or something that I found. I think I paid like $1.50 for it or something. It was super cheap. This was like 49 cents. So now the awesome part of this. So you're gonna take your pencils and you're just gonna push them down in there and create the perfect slots for them exactly how you want it. I'm just taking this and going around in it and see how they stand upright. They look pretty, and I wanted to do this, but I live in the middle of nowhere and I couldn't find any that would work for this. But I wanted to put like the little pencil toppers because they're lip pencils, so it wouldn't matter if you took one and put it on there. You're gonna want to take this in and out of here a couple of times just to loosen it up enough that it's coming in and out. I just did that 4 times and that was plenty. Now it comes out of there with no resistance at all. But you want your slot to be perfect, and that is why you have the tape down there or whatever sticky substance you want to use. I don't recommend a hot glue gun for this project. And you could do this ahead of time. You could literally poke the little holes in it before you start. It doesn't matter. Now the great thing about this is, let's say you have longer ones like this and shorter ones. You want it to all look the same height or something. You could poke these ones further in and these ones you could leave up higher, and then they would all look exactly the same size. And so even as you sharpen this down, you would just leave it up a little higher or push it down a little lower. Whatever works for you. You just stick them in there like that. I know that, you know, sticking them in a vase seems like great, but I never can find the color I'm looking for. And this way is so much easier to see what you're looking for. I don't know, am I the only person who has that problem? I hate digging for eyeliners and lip liners and whatever liners. All the pencils drive me nuts because I'm always literally digging through the drawer looking for the right one. And this way just makes that so much easier. I would add a bunch more to this and probably some little decorations on top, especially of ones maybe I don't use as often. You can stick them in upside down. This Floral stuff, as long as you have the lid on it, it won't hurt it at all. And it will come right out even with the lid on. You could stick something cute on the end of it, like you would with an eraser or whatever. It would be adorable. I had planned to do that, but I can't find any of the things I wanted, and all the ones I could find were stupid and ugly. You know, if you have a larger flat vase, you know, a short wide vase, this would be perfect for that. Just remember, you absolutely want this stuff right here because it is going to make your life finding all of these little pencils that are your favorite. And I have like 5 or 6 of these, all in very similar shades. I literally just stick them in there so they all go around, you know, one right after the other. And then I just grab the shade I want because it's sitting right there and it's easy to do. So that's my DIY cute eyeliner video, eyeliner holder video. I hope you like this and don't think I'm crazy for wanting them to be a little more organized. I don't like digging for them. Anybody else? I don't know of an easier way to do this either. So if you thought of one, props to you because I can find one. Let me know what you thought of my lazy girl DIY because DIY should not be complicated. Please like, subscribe, and share. And let me know what you think of my DIY videos because if you like them, I'll try to do more of them. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!